let's check on our yeast. I'm going to add this mixture. This has been sitting in my fridge for 1 hour and some minutes. I'm going to add it to my mixer. I'm going to add the flour and start the mixer. I added salt in the bread flour, but I didn't show it on camera. I'm going to start my mixer now and start to mix. I have my 3 whole eggs and 3 egg yolks here, so I'll start adding them gradually to the mixture in the mixer. Add them little by little till all are incorporated. And I'm going to use my butter. I'm going to use 200 grams of unsalted butter for this brioche bread recipe. I'm adding them little by little till all are incorporated. Just finished with the whole eggs. I'll allow that to mix for like 30 seconds and I'll start with the egg yolks. These are the egg yolk. I'm going to start with that now. I'm going to start adding my butter gradually. Our dough has doubled in size. I'm going to punch it now, and I've put butter my pan. I'll roll it out and allow it to rest for a second time before we bake. So I'm going to divide my dough. The dough is so soft, so fluffy. I'm going to divide it and roll. I'm going to cover this to rise second time for like 30 minutes before we bake. Our bread has risen well. See our bread. Yes. So it has doubled in size, and I'm mixing the egg to do the egg wash and put it in the oven. I put my oven on 375. I'm going to bake for 18 to 20 minutes. It goes into the oven now. See you when it's done baking. Yeah, our bread is ready. Can you see the beauty? The beautiful color. So came out so well, so fluffy. I will allow it to cool down for like a few minutes and then remove it from the pan. Will you be trying out this recipe? Please comment, like, and subscribe if you have not done so. I would like to see you replicate this brioche bread. Thank you for watching all my videos. See you in the next one. Bye.